Hello friends, this is the continuation of the series DHTML. In this tutorial, we will learn about date object and DHTML. Date object gives us the freedom to input date data type into the DHTML. It provides us with ease of use when we are working with date object. In this tutorial, our aim is to print the current system date and then extract the month and year out of the date. So let's start. So inside head, we are using JavaScript. The language is JavaScript here. Then we are simply writing the date. It is no argument constructor. After it, we are providing a line break. Then we are creating an object of the date. The constructor does not accept any argument. Then we print the month. See, the month is then using the concatenation operator d dot get month. Then we are providing the line break. At last, we are extracting the year. The year is get year. JavaScript is case sensitive, so be careful when you are typing. Then we add the head, and before it and the script. In the body we write some meaningful thing like DHTML tutorials, then and the HTML. We are saving the file and then previewing it into the browser. Here it will show us the current date, the month and the year. So this was about date object in DHTML. Thank you.